Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. So today we are going to learn how to send the mail from the SES for the AWS. So we are going to use the SMTP credentials of the AWS and we are going to send the email using the SMTP details of the AWS. For those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to create the SES. Okay, so you have to just add the SES and click on that one. So you have to follow the process. Okay, and currently I have all the details right now, so I have already created the account and we have the verify identities. I have created the both identities and both are verified. Okay, so you have to go for the for sending the email, you have to go to the SMTP settings, you have to create the SMTP credentials. So after creating the SMTP credentials, you have to download that one. Okay, and it consists of the username, password or I am username. Okay, so just make sure you have to download this and copy paste required for the credentials in the Node.js application. So do that one. Okay, so this is the endpoint, this is SMTP host, this is the port, any of the port that we can use, and the rest you will get it from while creating the SMTP credentials, which I have already done. Okay, so this is basically the code level. Okay, so first you require the node mailer. Okay, so node mailer, create your transporter using the SMTP credentials. So this is that one. So host, port, secure, auth, user and the password. Okay, next we have to set up the credentials. So this is mail options from to subject and the text. Okay, and after this you have to send the mail. Okay, so let's see is it working or not. So here we go with that one. So I will just add the clear, and here we go with the node, and here we go that with the success message. Okay, actually I have just restarted because the credentials are the different one. Okay, so that's the reason it's not working. Let me redo that one. Let me redo that one. So let's see. So here we go with the credentials now. So we will add node index.js, and you can see email sent successfully. Okay, so here we go with that one. Let's see the mails. So you can see that hello from the AWS node mailer. So this is a test email from that one. So this is how you are able to send the mails using the AWS SES and node mailer in Node.js. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.